Thanks for joining me for a mini decluttering challenge. It's Jill Annis, the owner of Simply Organized. Your dining room table. Wow, that is a really convenient place, even your kitchen table, to put things that you don't know where else to put, right? It's so convenient. It's flat, it's available, you can just set it there for now. Let's clear it off so you have space to eat. Maybe you're gonna entertain, have some people over, and you want to actually eat at that table. Here's the plan. There's no shame, by the way, you're not alone if your table is full of stuff. But here's the plan. Pick up one item at a time. There's probably lots of miscellaneous items on the table, maybe bags of stuff, but pick up one item or one bag at a time and sort it out. Decide first and foremost if that item is keep or not keep. Remember, one item at a time, just focus on one at a time. Keep or not keep. And then it's either going to be, if it's not keep, toss, recycle, or donate. So you're going to want those containers near you. Toss, recycle, or donate, give away if it's in good condition, if it's clean, if it works, it can be donated. And then if it's a keeper, it will need relocating into another room of your house. It doesn't belong on the dining room or kitchen table, correct? It's going to be relocated. So have in your mind, where does that go? Where would you look for it? Where would you use it? So where does it go? And can you picture a place, let's say it goes in the bathroom. Can you picture a place in the bathroom that that item should live? Like, is it a certain drawer, a certain cabinet, a certain shelf? Have that in mind when you're looking at the item so you know exactly where it goes and you know you have space for it. If you can't figure that out, then maybe you should put it in the donate or giveaway container. So that's how this is going to proceed. But I don't want you to run into those rooms and put it away right then and there. You can make either labeled piles with Post-it notes for the different rooms of your house, or use paper grocery sacks and write with a Sharpie on the paper grocery sack the room that these items are going to go into. So maybe you have one that says bedroom, bathroom, a room in the basement, kitchen. You get the idea? So it'll all be sorted out, and then be sure to allow time to empty those bags. This might take a bit of time. It might not be a quick challenge, but you can do it. I have confidence in you, and you're going to gain momentum with every item that you pick up. You're going to gain momentum and confidence about making those decisions. You might not want to do this all in one sitting. You might want to break up this table into 15-minute increments over a couple days' time. That's okay, as long as you get it done and you start. That's all that matters. Well, thanks again for joining me. Again, my name is Jill Annis. I'm the owner of Simply Organized in Madison, Wisconsin. I'm your non-judgmental, compassionate organizer. Be sure to comment below and let me know if this challenge was helpful to you. Thanks again. Bye-bye.